Hi, I'm Howard from YouTube Creators Forum and Cyber Times LLC, and I'd like to talk about intro videos and how they can help you get subs. So stay tuned. If you're a small YouTuber new to YouTube publishing, then you're going to want to hear this because intro videos are really going to help you get subscribers, and you should be doing it. Intro videos are videos that YouTube allows you to place on your channel so that when someone new comes to your channel, they'll see your intro video. Or if somebody has returned to your channel, you can have a different intro video. And intro videos are the same as any YouTube video. You record them, then you upload them, then you make thumbnails for them. I recently changed one on my Puppet blog, and it really made a difference. You just do a video, usually a composite of what's on your channel, with a please subscribe. You always want to have please subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing. And I would do a minute or less. My latest intro video is 48 seconds, and I put it up yesterday, and after I put it up I got immediate response from it. I had several subs yesterday, at least 10. Oh, and by the way, when you do your videos, it's always a good idea at the end of the videos to ask for people to subscribe if they like your channel and to leave comments. And that's really important. And have them activate the bell so that they get a notification that you have a new video. Intro videos are something you should be doing because they can really generate subscribers. You go to your YouTube channel. In the top right, there's a customize button. You press on that, and there you have a choice of putting a video for new visitors, or if somebody has returned to your channel, you can have a different intro video. I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm back, and you can see I'm in the upper left-hand corner looking down, and you can see this is my channel, Crazy Zany Puppets. It is crazy. I had 10 subscribers as of yesterday when I put up this intro video below, and I'll start it for you. You'll see it's kind of crazy.
This is Goodman here. You owe me rent. Or subscribe to the channel. Crazy Zany Puppet. Subscribe now or pay rent. Your choice.
PewDiePie, subscribe. Do it today. You.
I'm Jeff Dunham, and I'm here with Ahmed.
And that goes on for about 45 seconds, and at the end I ask people to subscribe again. And so in order to change or add an intro video, you hit the customize channel on the right. I'm going to hit it, and it's now, as you can see, it says for returning subscribers or for new visitors. So, and the current one is up there. Mr. Goodman says subscribe, and there is a button, an edit button right over there, and you can change the trailer. It's called a trailer, I guess. And you click on that, and it brings up your uploads, and you could click whatever you've recently uploaded. I'm not going to change it right now because I like what I have. And also, if you want for returning subscribers, you click on that. There's a returning subscribers button, and then you can edit whatever video you want to add. So I already have the video, so you click done, and it takes care of it. Choose a video or playlist to feature here, and then you do that, and that's it. So this is really important to do, and you can change it periodically too. By the way, I'm back, and this is my digital backdrop behind me. So if you like YouTube Creators Forum and my tech videos and how to improve your channel, please subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right side of the screen. If you like puppets and crazy parodies, then subscribe to Crazy Zany Puppets. Thanks a lot.